Maybe I annoy you with my choices. You annoy me sometimes too with your voice. But that ain't enough for me to move out and move on. I'm just gonna love you like the woman I love. We don't have to hurry, but you can take as long as you want. I'm holding steady and my heart's at home. With my hand behind you, I will catch you if you fall. I'm just gonna love you like the woman I love. Sometimes the world can make you feel you're not welcome anymore, and you beat yourself up, you let yourself get mad. And in those times when you stop loving the woman I adore, you can relax because babe, I got your back. I got you. I don't wish to change you. You got it.